Hi, my name is Ty Frankel, and I'm a labor and employment lawyer in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm actually coming at you today from my trip to take my dog to the vet, but I wanted to use this time productively to talk about some issues that come up in our unpaid wage, class, and collective actions. And one question that we often get is, how do these cases work out in the end? How ultimately does money get distributed to thousands of people? How do you make sure it's fair for the employees who are part of the class? So we often help workers in class and collective actions that address systematic unpaid wage issues. So when a whole category of employees aren't getting paid like they should. And always, anytime we reach a resolution that, is prior to trial and there's a negotiated settlement, we have the goal, and we're required to have the goal through the named representative, to make sure that any settlement is fair to all of the members of the class. But there's also a legal process in place where the judge reviews a class or collective action settlement to ensure that the distribution of money between the class members, the amounts that are covering attorneys' fees and costs, the potential incentive award for the named plaintiff for the work they put in representing the class, that all of these factors are ultimately a fair resolution. And so it's a good procedure that's in place to make sure there's an equitable resolution and workers get paid a fair amount for what they're owed when they're members of a class or collective action. If you want to learn more, I encourage you to visit our website at frankelsyverson.com.